With our patented system, Creative has developed a program that has many features and benefits. As our system is wall-mounted, we did a study to compare what else is on the marketplace. Our findings were that standards and blades have not changed in the last 50 years. Some companies have used standards to mount cabinets. In addition to the cost of the cabinet, you'd need to purchase vertical or horizontal standards. In our system, both the standard and blades are included in one upright. The uprights can hold 200 pounds mounted into drywall without looking for studs. Everything is flush to the wall without exposing screws or tracks. Pre-drilled holes on both sides of the uprights allow you to add on. The shelves hold 85 pounds, are flush to the wall, and are locked into place. A closet rod bracket mounts to the holes in either side of the upright and can be used for hanging towels in the bathroom. Adding connectors to the pre-drilled holes on the side of the cabinet allows you to install as many shelves as you require. With this flexibility, you can add or change as you require, utilizing your space to the maximum. By simply mounting a 2-hole connector in our pre-drilled holes, you can add a 6-hook garment bar. This just adds more flexibility to our system. Thank you for your interest in our product. Call us anytime.